Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing Only Way and giving it the permissions it needs. Without notifications and contacts, it can't send or receive your recovery messages. Next, build a recovery profile with a primary and backup contact and set a recovery window. 48 hours is common. Once done, enable the automatic triggers you want: inactivity checks, scheduled check-ins, or an emergency button. These first steps get everything live so the app can monitor and act when you can't. Now configure how messages flow so the right people get the right notice. Write short, explicit messages for each contact and scenario so there's no confusion. Clarity speeds response. Then set escalation rules. Choose time delays, how many repeats, and which contact is next if nobody responds. Once configured, run the app's dry run or test mode and confirm delivery to 2 contacts. This verifies routing and contact permissions before you rely on it in a real emergency. Flip Only Way to active monitoring and keep the device charged and connected so checks aren't skipped. Make reviewing logs and test results a habit. Do it weekly, so you catch delivery failures and update contacts or messages after any life change. If something goes wrong, first reauthorize app permissions in settings, then check for battery optimization or background restrictions that might block delivery. Finally, run another test delivery. If it still fails, switch to the backup contact directly and repair the app settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.